Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing interference. Boot into safe mode so Windows won't lock files, or disable the GPU in Device Manager to stop drivers. Once in safe mode, run Display Driver Uninstaller that you downloaded earlier. It's designed to remove leftover files and registry entries. Make a system restore point before you begin, because if something goes wrong, you'll roll back. This step reduces driver conflicts and permits a clean removal, so you avoid remnants that cause instability. Once done with the safety steps, open and select your GPU vendor, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and choose Clean and Restart. This removes drivers, control panel components, and registry traces automatically. After the reboot, manually inspect /program files, /program files x86, and %appdata% for vendor folders and delete any leftovers. Then open Device Manager, enable View Show Hidden Devices, and uninstall any Ghost Display adapters. These actions ensure all driver artifacts are gone before reinstalling or switching GPUs. Now finalize the process. If you plan to reinstall, download the correct driver from the manufacturer and install it after confirming Windows Update is paused. Make sure to choose a clean install option when offered, because that prevents old profiles from reappearing. If you intended removal for troubleshooting, boot normally and verify stability. If problems persist, use System Restore to revert or boot safe mode to repeat the process. One key tip: if the system still misbehaves, reset the GPU and check BIOS GPU.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.